Hi, Beanbeauties. Welcome back. Welcome back. Today, we have a jam-packed video for you today. We have a very, very unique reveal of a Dooney Bourke I bought a little while ago. And it's a reveal because that was during the rainy season, so I had to take them out of the boxes, but I hadn't had a chance to show y'all yet, or I haven't used them, so I don't use them without y'all. I have some friend mail. I have a card. And I have some a item I bought off of a friend that I want to share with y'all. And then we have advent calendars at the end of the video. So if you're interested in that, and even if you're not, if it sounds boring, come back. I promise you might like one or two things. All right, so come on back. Dee Bean, what are you doing? Begging people? That's okay. I have no shame. I have no shame. I want to get to 2K and I need your help to get to 2K. I need you to help me watch. I need you to help me like it. I need to help you to help me subscribe. I need to help me to share all those things, all those YouTube things we're supposed to tell y'all to help. I'm going to start with my friend mail. Friend mail. This is from Lori from Smiling Cats Couture. And she is so kind. I had her on as a guest last year in 2024, I believe, right? Was it 2025? Gosh, I don't even remember. I've been doing this for a while. And, oh, look at this. It's a Christmas tree card. And it matches my shirt. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Love the cards. Sparkly. Dee Dee, may peace and happiness be yours this Christmas and throughout the new year. Wishing you and your family a wonderful holiday season. Lori, Smiling Cats Couture. Thank you very much, Lori. Thank you, thank you. It's beautiful. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Okay. All right. Can you see that there? I hope that you can see the cards up there. I'm going to try to put them up there. I mean, I don't know how many I'm going to get, but there's two right there. This next item I purchased from Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture. I had to copy Smiling Cats Couture. And I loved, look, she put some of this nice little pouch. Oh, did I cut the pouch? Oh. Don't do what I did. I just cut the pouch. Dee Dee Bean. Okay. But Lori purchased this and I saw it and I was like, oh, I need to have one. So Dawn made one for me. And very worth it. I don't remember how much it was. 20 bucks maybe. And that included shipping. And look at that, lots of beads. Look how colorful it is. And I don't normally like the multicolor, but I just think that it was happy and it has all the colors. So I thought, okay, I can put it on multiple things. And I have to copy Lori from Smiling Cats Couture. So I have to copy her. Okay, can you see it? I put it right here. All right. Okay, so this next bag, I saw this. I fell in love with it. I purchased it back in, let's see. Okay, it was only August of this year, August 17th of 2025 this year. So I purchased it and I had not seen anybody with it. And I just thought it was a really, really beautiful bag. So I purchased it. And like I said, it was rainy season, so a lot of my boxes had gotten wet. Luckily, this vendor as well had covered it all up. And let me show you, and then I will tell you a little bit more about it. Ta-da! Isn't it gorgeous? She's called the Pembrook Claire handbag, and it did come with the dust bag. I think I put it inside. So here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back, which it has a zipper, beautiful zipper. Dooney has beautiful zippers. Here is the inside. Ooh, I don't know if is that leather lining? I don't know what the lining is. It could be the leather lining. It looks like it's a leather lining. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. It has feet. And here is back at the front. So it has this logo lock that they call the logo lock. And One side is the gold duck. One side has a little Dooney Bourke, and I think it's white. It looks white there. Then you open it up, and it has the suede on the inside here, and yeah, it has a leather inside. Ooh, so here's a dust bag that came with the dust bag. Here's the crossbody strap, and here's what the inside looks like. Oh, you can smell the leather. Oh my gosh, you can smell the leather. I had not touched it since I opened it, and I put it up on the shelf. All of that is leather in the inside. Wow. Wow. Very well done. Very well done. And it has a little pocket back here, a card case pocket back here. It's a structured bag, so it's hard to show y'all, hard to open it up. Now, it kind of gives you that briefcase feel. I guess too, maybe that Birkin Kelly feel as well too. I liked it that it's a top handle. It's got plenty of room, so see, you can put it in the crook of your arm. And like I said, I had not seen anybody else with it, and then I saw a short. I think it was a short that I happened across, which was from Ivana from My Pursuit of Happiness, and she was showing this. She was wearing this with, she had styled it with some nice riding boots and things, and I'll try to put a picture up if I can find it again. And I was like, that's my bag, that's my bag. So Ivana, you need to show your older bags, because she has some great bags. And when I pull out my finds, these older finds from Dooney Gone By, she will have them, and I'm like, yes. So I am twinning with her. I think we might even have the same color. I think we even have the same color, but I'm not sure. And then here it does have the crossbody strap. Now, this has the crossbody, which it's on like right on here on the top. This hardware is gorgeous. I think this might have been in the eras when they had the 18 karat gold plated hardware. You can tell the difference in the color and the weight of it. Here you go. Oh wow, it has plenty of room. Yeah, it's way past my hip. So I think that if I have to use a crossbody, this should be okay, because it's not catty corner and it's in the middle, so it should lay good across the back. It is very beautiful, extremely beautiful. I'm anxious to wear that. And these are the colors that are popular now. So I think this is called the Denizen pattern, from the Denizen line, as far as this part. But the actual, I don't know what line it came from. So Ivana, let me know. I need more info. Okay. All right, let's go to the advent calendars. Okay, can you see her okay over there? All right, she's so beautiful. So the advent calendars for DUCKmas is a hand sanitizer, my DIY hand sanitizer, and my ducks. So we're going to start with the ducks. And I'm not sure if you saw my last video. Amazon said, you haven't bought these. We think you might like these. They noticed that I didn't buy them, because I've been buying them, like 2 or 3 of them for the past 2 years. So these are different because you can turn these into bag charms or ornaments. But they're tough to open. Okay. There we go. I just tore that off. Another green one. Yesterday, number 1 was, oh, it's the Christmas tree. It's the Christmas tree duck. Let's see. So I have these little gadgets that I've been using when I started handing them out when I was on cruises. And all you do is, there's like a little hook right here, and you just use this little lobster claw. Instant charm. Instant, look at that. Instant ornament. Instant bag charm. So we're going to put this on the tree. There we go. Okay. I need to try to grab the other pop socket. I keep calling this a pop socket, and it's not a pop socket. Okay. Let's see. What is in here? Oh, it is the wreath. Okay, so Rachel Cheetah, she gave me one with a hand sanitizer in it. So apparently I bought one too. So you know I definitely like it. So I'm going to give this to either put it in my daughter's stock. Yeah, I'm going to put it in my daughter's stocking, or maybe I'll give it to her before. I think I might see her before Christmas. We have so many activities. I don't know at this point where we're at on the calendar if I'll see her before Christmas, but I think I'll give it to her with the hand sanitizer. All right, so that's okay. So that's our two advent calendars. All right, Bean Beauties, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed the reveal of the unique bag that I found. I hope that you enjoyed the friend mail card that I got. I hope that you enjoyed the 2 advent calendars that I got. Thank you so much for being here. Please help me to reach 2K as close to the end of 2025 as possible. Like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. Hope you're enjoying CHAOSmas. Hope that to see you tomorrow on the next one. Love y'all. Thank you for coming to DUCKmas. Bye-bye.